Hey there, health enthusiasts and nutty connoisseurs. Welcome back to our health and wellness channel. Today, we've got something exciting and a little nutty to talk about: cashew nuts. They might be small, but they're mighty, and they're here to bring a little cashew-ality into your life. So, let's dive into the 7 surprising health benefits of cashews. And I promise, we won't go nuts. 1 nutrient-packed goodness. Cashews are like little nuggets of nutrient-packed gold. They're loaded with vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats, making them a cash cow of health benefits. And remember, no cows were harmed in the making of this video. First up, cashews are rich in heart-healthy, monounsaturated fats. These fats are like the cashews saying, "I've got your heart's back, buddy." They can help reduce the risk of heart disease, lower bad cholesterol levels, and keep your ticker in tip-top shape. But that's not all. Cashews are also a great source of magnesium. It's like a backstage pass to muscle relaxation and nerve function. So the next time you're stressed, grab a handful of cashews and let your muscles chill like they're at a spa. 2 nutty skin secrets. Who wouldn't want skin as smooth as cashew butter? Cashews are brimming with antioxidants like zeaxanthin and lutein. These compounds help protect your skin from the harmful effects of UV rays. It's like having a built-in sunscreen, minus the weird tan lines. The copper in cashews is another secret weapon for your skin. Copper plays a key role in collagen production, which keeps your skin looking plump and youthful. So cashews might just be the answer to the age-old question, what's your secret to flawless skin? 3. Nuts for your nerves. Our next health benefit of cashews is all about boosting brain power. Thanks to their magnesium content, cashews can help improve memory and cognitive function. And no, they won't make you forget where you put your car keys, unless you put them in the pantry next to the cashews. The B vitamins in cashews, particularly vitamin B6, support proper brain development and function. So, consider cashews your little brainy sidekicks on your journey to world domination, or just getting through a busy day with a clear mind. 4. Cracking the bone health code. When it comes to bone health, calcium gets all the attention. But don't forget about cashews. These little guys are loaded with minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which are crucial for strong and healthy bones. Cashews are the unsung heroes of your skeleton. Just picture them wearing tiny superhero capes. 5. Keep the doctor away with cashews. All right, we all know that apples are supposed to keep the doctor away, but hear me out. Cashews might give apples a run for their money. The vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants in cashews support a healthy immune system. So, next time you're under the weather, skip the apple and grab a handful of cashews. They're like a superhero squad fighting off those pesky germs. 6. Cashews, a stress buster. In a world that's often nuts, it's no surprise that cashews can help you manage stress. The magnesium in cashews plays a crucial role in reducing stress and anxiety. It's like having your personal Zen master in a nutshell. Additionally, cashews contain tryptophan, which is a precursor to the feel-good hormone, serotonin. So they're mood-enhancing snacks. Keep calm and cashew on. 7. Weight management with a twist. Last but not least, let's talk about cashews and weight management. You might think that nuts would be off limits if you're watching your weight, but not cashews. They're lower in fat than many other nuts and packed with fiber, making them a satisfying and nutritious snack option. The healthy fats in cashews also help you feel full, so you're less likely to reach for those unhealthy, sugary snacks. It's like your own little nutty appetite suppressant. So there you have it, folks. The 7 surprising health benefits of cashew nuts that you need to know. Cashews are more than just a tasty snack. They're your health-conscious sidekicks, your skin's best friend, and your brain's secret weapon. Just remember, Everything is in moderation, even cashews. Thanks for joining us today, and remember to stay nutty, stay healthy, and stay tuned for more health and wellness tips on our channel. And as always, if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow nut lovers. Until next time, stay cashew-tastic, my friends.